I'm Allie. I'm an interior designer.
And I'm Jason, a communications consultant.
We bought our dream house, a 1960s bungalow that we're taking down to the studs and bringing into the future.
But not without breaking a few classic design rules along the way.
With a little peace, love, and patience, we hope to get this project done on time.
We are not going to get this job done on time, but we're working on the peace and the patience.
Welcome to Allie and Jason's House Rules.
All right, well, Rome was not built in a day, and the same holds true for this renovation.
Absolutely, but there is a bit of progress.
There's lots of progress.
Absolutely. So we're coming to you from our newly built garage, and then we have our mudroom. This is going to be our mudroom / laundry area. So where Jason will be doing all of the laundry.
We'll see about that.
And then Jason's office is right over here too. So it's going to be an open concept office area, which is great because we have all of these gorgeous windows that we've put in.
So this is my favorite.
Absolutely.
And just this is south as well. So lots of natural light coming in here. It's going to be such a wonderful place to enter the home and for me to work.
Absolutely. And do laundry.
Hey.
Yeah, these gel windows are absolutely fantastic. We love them so much. And then we continue on into our little hallway moment. And then, of course, we have our living room, which you have all seen from our last episode. Of course, because these are vaulted ceilings, we wanted to have pot lights. So we've gone with really kind of ultra slim globe 4-inch pot lights for in here.
Yeah, and I love that there's technology behind it. I mean, this is where I get really excited to be able to pull out that app and just, handle it right there. I think it's gonna be pretty sexy.
Where are we gonna take them next?
Let's take them into our bedroom.
Ooh.
There's a lot going on in here.
There definitely is a lot going on.
Look past it.
Absolutely. We're so excited about our principal bedroom. And I mean, of course, this being a bungalow, we only had a certain amount of space to work with. And we decided to do wall-to-wall custom closets. So we actually built out the wall on this side 2 feet so that we could have floor-to-ceiling, wall-to-wall closet space, which I think is really nice.
Yeah, and it took a lot of negotiating, trust us, because we have a lot of clothes and we have some specifics and even down to the details of, hey, I'm a tall guy, my shirts are longer, my jackets are longer, my feet are bigger. So how do you make that work? You gotta really think these things through.
There's one more space I wanna take you to, and that's the basement. How do you feel about the stairs now, Jason?
Oh, so much better.
Okay, so these stairs originally
the death trap stairs
were death traps, and Jason basically had to do a little side shuffle going all the way down. So now we don't have to do that because we have a new set of stairs, which is awesome. Now, one thing about the basement that you have to think about, especially when you're doing a renovation, are bulkheads.
If only it was all countertops and hot tubs. No, you have to pay for the expensive stuff behind the walls.
Exactly, which we know, and we've come to terms with it now, but it's been a struggle, but we're so excited about this next step because I feel like we're this close to moving in, right?
We're almost there. Well, kind of.
Maybe, we'll see.